Yeah, another Monday. Sunrise, bleeding through the blinds. Phone's already glowing. Same game, different day, but the fear's still growing. Yeah, another Max lost Monday. Watch the blood red candles fall. Swear I see the devil grinning, waiting for my call. Pop a pill to kill the pain, but the numbers on the screen burning holes inside my soul. You know just what I mean. This ain't no dip, it's a damn grave I'm digging with these trades. Another Monday, another prayer that slowly starts to fade. Woke up pre-market looking sweet, a little touch of green. Told myself this is the one, a whole new hopeful scene. Shorted puts, I'm feeling slick, a genius in the making. Then the bell rings and my world, it just starts shaking. Spike up, no reason why, just algorithms running wild. Heartbeat thumps, a panic drum, I'm screaming like a child. Inside my head, of course, outside I'm cool and calm. But I just lost another rack before I finished my first song. Another Max lost Monday, watch the blood red candles fall. Swear I see the devil grinning, waiting for my call. Pop a pill to kill the pain, but the numbers on the screen burning holes inside my soul. You know just what I mean. This ain't no dip, it's a damn grave I'm digging with these trades. Another Monday, another prayer that slowly starts to fade. They say stick to your plan, control what you can lose. But every Monday feels the same, paying the same damn dues. I see the chart, I know the play, but the market's got a curse. And every time I bet against it, things just getting worse. I'm addicted to the pain, the rush, the self-hate. A masochist with a brokerage account, stealing my own fate. They'll say I'm gambling, but I'm fighting for a dream, while I'm drowning in the crimson of a Monday market stream. Is there a lesson here I'm missing? Or am I just another fool who doesn't listen to the whispers in the wind, the writing on the wall, that every single Monday I'm destined to just fall and fall and fall. Max lost Monday. Yeah, Max lost Monday. Till next week, same time, same station. Damn. Damn. Damn.
Yeah, my stop loss, got it, that's the top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the high. Now I'm popping nothing, sitting on the side. Should've been a million, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. Woke up this morning, saw the setup, it was clean. Overextended daily, yeah, short seller's dream. Put my order on the book, risk was calculated plan. Felt that rush inside my veins, had the world inside my hand. Then the candle started pushing paranoia in my soul. A wick came out of nowhere, made my P&L a hole. Just one single single tick, a whisper, then it slammed right back to earth. Now I'm watching all this money, questioning my worth. Yeah, my stop loss got hit, that's a top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the high. Now I'm popping nothing, sitting on the side. Should've been a million, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. It's a cruel world, it's trading game, a different type of pain. Like you text your girl, I love you, and she leaves you in the rain. Saw the profit flash before me, then it vanished from the screen. This ain't a simulation, this is agony, it's key. Top tick tilter, now I'm just a watcher. It hurts the most. Gone.
Sunrise paints the screen in shades of hope and dread. Got my coffee brewing, got a plan inside my head. The chart was looking pretty, a picture of a dream. A long, slow climb up a golden flowing stream. I saddled up my capital, my finger on the mouse. Felt like the only quiet soul in a loud and crowded house. Set my stop loss carefully, a line drawn in the sand. The most faithful partner in this God-forsaken land. But a shadow fell at 10:03 so fast I couldn't see. A long-legged liar, a ghost in the machine. It shot straight down from my last dime, put my courage to the test, then vanished in the dust of the wild Wicked West. It kicked me from the saddle, and before I hit the ground, that price was climbing north again without a single sound. I watched it go without me, a green and lonely tear, tracking all the profits that I should have had this year. It's like seeing your own train pull right on out of sight after some fast-talking outlaw pushed you in the night. He didn't take my wallet, just my entry and my nerve. Served me up a lesson that I probably don't deserve. 'Cause I did my homework, Lord, I read every single sign. That Wick just came for me, and it knew the stop was mine. 'Cause a shadow fell at 10:03 so fast I couldn't see. A long-legged liar, a ghost in the machine. It shot straight down from my last dime, put my courage to the test, then vanished in the dust of the wild Wicked West. It kicked me from the saddle, and before I hit the ground, that price was climbing north again without a single sound. They say the trend's your friend till the algos disagree. They're quicker on the draw than a man like you or me. It ain't a game of poker, it ain't a game of skill. It's just standing in a stampede on a downhill slope until
Good morning, traders. How are we doing? Perfect fall hitting that Q already this morning. Excellent. Daily goal on the 100K eval. Absolutely love it. You think you missed MOGU? Well, I mean, AEHL yesterday, I felt like I had missed it, and that thing faded all day. You had to eat perfect fall. We need to change your name to Perfect Call because at 18, you nailed it, and that thing faded down to $4. I was just thinking throughout the day, man, 100 shares there would have been funded. That was a beautiful fade. So looking for more of those plays today. And let's go to the man, myth, legend to find them. Mr. Fades is already here getting his coffee in. How we doing, Fades?
Good morning, guys. What's going on?
Yeah. How's your pre-market? Have you been taking any trades?
Yeah, the same as Fall was saying, SLXN and VNCE. Just both of them kind of reversed a little bit. Had some nice small green trades in them. I'm baby red in smaller positions right now. Just seeing if they're going to get any more momentum and close out or if they're going to trickle lower.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see where the momentum shifts today.
SLXN starting to get rowdy again. I'm going to have to close that.
Yeah, that one's curling around. I pulled up the WLDS. That was the hot play yesterday. It triple topped at 10 this morning, and now it's looking kind of heavy. I'm surprised it made that move again. Well, they came out with news at 8 o'clock. 4 million. Well, whoa! They came out with a direct offering and a private placement priced at the market. Direct offering of 1 million shares. They came out with at $4 a share. How's it not selling off further now?
What ticker is that again?
WLDS. They came out with an offering. 1 million shares at $4 a share.
And it's still holding up.
Yeah.
Actually, green. Wait a minute. Let me take a look at the chart because I was trading that yesterday for a while.
I mean, it already looks kind of heavy where it is.
Yeah, it's showing that textbook downtrend.
We might ought to. I'm thinking about stabbing at it here, but it's off from 10 down here. With that offering, I mean,
it's in a nice bear flag right now. You can take a small size, but you gotta keep your eyes on it. Tempted to smack just a tiny bit there. Let me zoom out. Let me pull it up on my other chart. Yeah, I just made a fresh watch list. I only have about 10 stocks on watch today. Not quite as
stab at it.
Yeah, it's looking heavy. I'll take a starter with you, a couple hundred shares.
Yeah, I'm in 156.57 right now. Then, because the offering at $4. I mean, it should be heavy.
I'll take 100 and just stabbed 100 for now. But yeah, I agree. I mean, offering. Did you notice Orbs is now Octo? They changed their name, and they came out with some after-hour news, and it was volatile. I was green on the trade, and then it got away from me. Oh, SLXN, big red candle.
Okay, I was wondering because Octo on my watch list is grayed out. I'm like, what's going on here?
Yeah. I was looking on. I'm like, where is Octo? And then I pulled up my Webull, and it turned into Orbs, and it's still heavy and selling off right now. Pre-market down another 25%. I mean, that thing was just the beautiful fade yesterday, man. That was so great.
Good. I mean, that's
a great trade yesterday.
Ended up putting 50 shares on that, making like 400 or so. That QMMM that I got wrecked on the day before, I made it pretty much back yesterday, so I was happy about that.
Dude, those same 10 shares ended up haunting me in QMM.
The same 10,
dude. It was like halting
up,
and I got chopped out. I had to take like a couple $100 loss on QMM, and like I told you, then I fat fingered a trade. So yesterday was a sloppy day for me, but I did end up like baby green, so I'm happy with that. Like I said, I had a massive day the day before, so I'm good.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Should we just avoid it? Because it's still looking at QMMM. I'm like, oh, this still looks good. But I just don't know if I want to take it, man. I just don't know.
Yeah, I think, and I know. Again, here we are. It's like, do we stab it? I don't want to stab it before bell. I just don't. There's no telling, It's just such a manipulated ticker. And we saw some disgusting action yesterday with those halts. Like, we got chopped up in that. Like, aside from QMM, we had a killer day. Like, between my fat finger and that was like $500 on that one ticker that I gave. That's $500 a day. I mean,
Dude, I was thinking about QMM. I'm like, even if I had just gone in one share, would have lost a couple $100 with one share. Can
hmm
you imagine, dude? Like some people lost so much on that going in.
oh my God, yeah.
Unbelievable. I'm curious what firm went out of business there. I hear your
Seriously.
I hear your button.
Yeah, I have I'm working VNCE, SLXN, and WLDS right now. Small size though. I have about $600-700 in them, and they're up a lot. They're kind of bear. I mean, they're bearish. SLXN just had a big flush after that little baby reclaim. So I mean, if it gets back over like 13s, I'm going to be
So
closing that.
VNCE, you think even here is a decent entry? I mean,
Yeah, the chart has been bearish, and it just kind of like triple top there, and now it's trickling lower again.
I think if I work it, it'll be against like 450. If I were to take an entry here,
I'll be closing it out above like early fours, really, because it just did that little triple top. Like I'm right now. I'm looking at a 15-second chart pre-market, like very like precise on the price action, and I'm looking at like a triple top it just put in. Now it's trickling lower. So sometimes I do like to get in these tiny time frames when we're, actively in and out trading, scalping.
yeah, perfect fall. Mentioned Mogu, beautiful descending triangle on Mogu, and cracked it, bounced off VWAP.
Yeah, that's actually at the top of the leaders and the watch list as well. We can get into the watch list I have for today if you want.
Yeah, I definitely want to dive there. I will mention VNCE. I didn't see any news, but Mogu does have like 20 million they're putting into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that. Like everyone.
Yeah, that whole thing, that whole spiel.
All right.
Yeah, WLDS. The AI news is a little scary, I guess, but I mean, it had all the move yesterday. Like longs are tired, longs are exhausted. This is the chart right here on WLDS, and it's just like that's a perfect looking big death candle consolidation. I mean, that's what pays us really. These are the setups that truly just pay us. So I'm not getting over convicted. Like I'm even smaller than you, with just 100 shares, but now as it's trickling down, I mean, as we say, this seems to be a pocket queen, pocket king setup, perhaps, and let the setup reveal itself. But go ahead.
Yeah, but why not?
A little bit. Yeah.
Scale.
Okay. Yeah, the watch list. Yeah, the watch list. So SLXN.
GRI, by the way, right now pumping up. Sorry, GRI pumping right now.
Yeah. Let me pull up my current screener because I think I was seeing some stuff too. What was it? PFSA. Is that our new cheap penny pump?
PFSA.
It's already we're just a little late. Good God. As soon as I said it, it just dropped 7 cents. Oh, man. As soon as I pull the chart up, it gets that candle. Wow.
Yes, literally. Like at the
a little late for that. It showed up as I was formulating my watch list. So I'm like, I didn't even see that on the top gainers. I should have gave it attention right then and there. It spiked to 80 cents and now it's all the way back in the 50s. That would have been a nice quick pump and dump. But that's okay. So yeah, SLXN, we got Mogu, VNCE, PFSA, WLDS, Orbs, QMMM. The market has cooled a little bit, which I'm not even upset about because it was overwhelming the past 2 days. Like trying to keep up, I had like 20 stocks on watch, and it was just we were missing something constantly. But we stayed level-headed. We didn't over risk. We took a couple nasty L's each, but you ended up big and green, and I was very content with an even day. Because I mean that fat finger alone cost me $250. Like that doesn't happen every day. So I would consider yesterday a green day for me.
Yeah.
Longs.
Yeah, that ended
up. What happened is I was trying to cover Octo and I had QMM pulled up on the portal and trade the pool and I just went to buy 50 shares. Then all of a sudden I'm long at like 140, like 7K position on my funded. I'm like, oh my God. I'm looking at the spread, doing the math. I'm like, instant 150 loss, and then it trickles down. I have to smack it. It'll take like a 260 L.
It would have been great if
Fun
that would
stuff.
have halted up, but you know,
Yeah.
when we buy at the top, it don't work.
Oh no, it's going lower. Yeah.
Good morning, James. How's the funded going?
Yeah, what are you
GRI
guys
pulling in
doing?
off the 360s. Yeah, GRI pulled that one up. They reported interim 6-week lung function results from ongoing phase 2A study. Yeah, GRI is decent. Yeah. Pull up that ticker. Just kicking back with the WLDS trade. Dude's
GRI.
a
I'm not
yeah,
sure if it's showing up for me.
you see my chart here. GRI
Yeah, I have
150s
my
up to
screener.
360 right now.
Oh wow, did Weeble not pick up that chart? That ticker? Sometimes tickers fall through the cracks.
Nice, perfect fall. Love that. Good work. Yeah, let's
How much
Mogu,
is it?
man. Yeah, it did pop up at 720. It's still heavy, MOGU. James got crushed on WLDS. You took the L. That's very important, though. Man, it sucks in hindsight seeing it work out. That's really painful. But that was
SLXN is curly. I'm gonna go ahead and come out for now.
okay.
It's
I mean,
getting to
that's
be
the main
9
thing,
o'clock.
James. Though, taking the losses, even if they work out thereafter.
Let's see what it
Okay.
does. Catch up on chat here. Yeah, the WLDS shorted at 8. Yeah, that early morning volatility can be scary. It can be fruitful but scary. You just have to size extra small and like be watching it. That's the thing. With pre and post, you got to be like pretty much glued to the screen or have the app on your phone if you step away because yeah, price gets away from us on these pennies quickly. And when the stop
VNC does look heavy. Perfect fall.
VNCE, yeah,
Yeah, it looks heavy.
yeah. I'm in VNCE and WLDS right now. Orbs is like, which was our octo yesterday. It's like it's probably gonna fade to 10 or 5, but it's just kind of scary because it went up so much and it's been trickling down. It's like, how do we feel about that? Trickling to 18 now and just on a downward slope.
You know, I kind of like CWD too.
Yeah,
as
that's on
well.
my watch list. It's down 4% right now, which is
What
a
do you
good sign.
think, though? I mean, it hit 56. It was, but up from 2, so it's given back a lot of the move. But we still it looks heavy under that previous close, 910.
Kind of similar to the orbs, like it's up a lot. But let me see. Let me go to the 1 month. So the 5-day gainer list, we have orbs is still up 1500, QMMM is up 1500, and then the next one down is WLDS is up 400%. That's in the past 5 days. When I go to the 1 month, though, I believe that CWD is still up like 200, 300% in the past few days. Like
Yeah,
so
it's
there's
got a
definitely room. I mean, like you said,
it's got a lot of resistance from yesterday overhead, like in the 950s or so. I like that as some good risk guide.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it is perfect fall. I think it's all mental. Like yesterday, so I'm working a 25K max and flex. I had $100 loss on the max, and I just switched over to the flex and had a $500 green day on the flex. So it's like some days if rather than try to dig out of a hole, if I just switch over to the other eval and start working that one, I feel fresh. I'm not trying to force action, to try to get out of the hole. It is mental.
Yeah.
So much of it is mental.
Just staying level headed with sizing and not having
Mhm.
too big of wins or losses because they
Right.
just tilt you. They tilt you. They tilt your emotions. Like I'm proud of myself for just staying small size, and it's been so less stressful.
You've been
Man.
doing real well with that.
It's
Yeah,
less stressful. Yeah. And in this hot market, it showed that you don't have to oversize to make a killing. Like you don't.
No, I mean with WLDS, for instance, I mean that's
Mm-hmm.
working out on 150 shares right now. So
SLXN is worth keeping on watch, though. I mean, I did just close out of it, but like it could just fall apart right here. we're just entering that time near Bell where it's like we kind of need to again let the market reveal itself, sit on our hands a little bit. We're taking good trades right now that look very good, but like setups that aren't great right now are iffy because the bell's coming.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like the last few mornings where it's like, oh, this amazing setup that you have to take. I mean, yesterday was Octo for us. I think we were both on it.
Oh yeah,
We don't
and
have
it's
a
like
hangover to that degree this morning. It doesn't
I
feel
think
like. I mean, QMMM is up there,
yeah,
but that's
QMMM can reveal itself,
and we
and
could take that. Yeah.
orbs and QMMM are still up. Again like 1,500% in the past 5 days. So if bearish price action comes, those definitely need to be, given attention. VNCE fading, just went decent green in that position. Only have 200 shares though. Might
Yeah, good
add
work
another
there.
little bit. Yeah, pre-market is nice. Especially to come build yourself a little bit of a cushion, and then you feel even less pressure when the bell comes, and you can size even smaller and be even more
What
selective.
What are your thoughts? Yeah, I agree. What are your thoughts on PTNM? Because
That's on the
that just
list. That's on the list.
yeah, it had a day two climb and it's up a
Up,
lot, but
yeah, it's up 20% today, so
in
it's
it.
kind of pumping today. Let me see.
I see a little support at 7 on the past chart history, but we're up massively over the last few days. $2 to 10 there, and then yeah,
Yeah, that's been a
CW.
big bump here. GRI looks like it worked out. I don't know what was up with that thing. It didn't want to show up on my scanner. Is it just not up a ton? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I mean it's up from $1.50 to 360 it hit. So I mean that was a
Yeah, I mean that's
significant
over
move,
100%.
over
It
100.
should be
Yeah.
showing up on my scanner. Huh, that's weird. So yeah, sometimes the scanner misses a couple of them, which is annoying.
SLXN James kind of reminds me of AEHL. I mean it's one of those plays that's up still quite a bit and could just slow fade throughout the day. Maybe
What's that? AHL?
no, SLXN he was asking about. I know you
Oh,
stopped out of it, but there's still
that's in
potential
our
there.
list. Yeah, that's on the top of the list, and I mean it's looking very tempting right
Reaches all
now.
the primary sites of pancreatic cancer
Yeah,
metastasis. I don't know. I mean, what is that? I don't see that it finished phase 3,
I
unless
think
that's
it
what it
said
is.
something about phase 2, 3 is starting in a
Mm,
year or something, or in like 6 months.
phase 2,
So
3.
that's why I
Okay.
was like, it was a nice trade. I made 100 more on it this morning, but not getting greedy. I got out of it because we had that. We had a dip to 10 and it went all the way back to almost 14. Not a huge fan of that action.
On WLDS, it's curling a bit. I mean, on a pop there, I'm probably hitting it, dude. There's so
Yeah.
much there's so much resistance overhead. We've triple topped at 10. I just
Mhm.
don't see it holding up. I'll probably give it to
The
like
AI,
820.
yeah,
I'll give that one a decent amount of risk.
the AI news kind of scares me a little bit, I guess. But I mean, yeah, it's up like 300% still off news. It's bearish. They did an offering, and it's in this flag. Yeah. So I would say for me personally, I don't want to see it back over. I don't want to see it even get close to 8, really, after that candle down. If it starts to spike up through 8s, that's going to be sketchy for me.
Okay.
I think
Yeah,
maybe a test towards 8,
I
but
see that.
I don't really want to see it back over above that.
That was a huge volume wick on at 770s that dropped like whew, 2
Right,
point.
right. So it's like if price is going to get back and stabilize above that, I don't know. I'm scared of that then. Again with the AI and the energy, also beware of the energy plays. Like I said yesterday, the apparently like a bunch of rich investors are getting into that sector, so just be wary.
Outside of that, though, I mean, I think we're all on everything.
Mhm.
It feels less to look at than a lot of these mornings. But
SLXN. another snap down. I'm gonna probably have that one ready to take, not take it right now, but I'm gonna be ready to smack it with a little bit. If it, let's see, it looks like probably like 11-ish. If 11s can't hold,
Decent
it's one of
spread
those
with
like
TGP
I'd
there.
rather, yeah, let it confirm rather than chase, especially at this time. Like I would rather take smaller size once it confirms, even if I'm like we talked about, like chasing in a sense, rather
Mhm.
than trying to get in right before bell and then it turns into the king of the day and spikes 30%.
Mogu curling back around a little bit. That could be king of the day. Again, at the open here, I think I'm just
Yeah.
going to kick back with like WLDS because the
Mhm.
momentum's going to shift somewhere. It could be Mogu, for
Right.
example.
We don't want to be spread out or sprinkled too soon, and then you catch that bull. You get caught in the bull wave of stock. Mogu definitely is turned into the king of the day. It's up the most on the day. Behind it barely is SLXN, which might be on the brink of collapse right now. So SLXN is worth a lot of attention, in my opinion. Um, VNCE is working well, and I love the bigger picture on WLDS. So those are three.
Yep, I'm with you.
Well,
I'm with you on
now.
those three, and then CWD, I think's the other one I'm monitoring.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, CWD to see if it starts to trickle a little bit more there. Um, and having that watch list is nice. It's just as soon as bell opens, you can see price and where everything's going. What's starting to go more deep red? What's pumping
Mogu,
harder?
Mogu
King of the day,
getting the
yeah. Mogu is moving quick and getting all the attention, which is good for us. Focus on some of these other faders. VNCE. Let's see. Yeah, so Mogu is definitely going to be the king of the day. So I don't even want to really focus too much on that right now until it has some
This is
time
good
there.
for WLDS too. If Mogu gets this hype, I could see
Mhm.
WLDS dropping.
I'm gonna definitely have QMMM pulled up on one of my charts. 'Cause if that thing starts to get bearish, I'm in. Even just
A
three,
halt
four
down.
hundred dollars worth starter, like a $300, $400 starter. If it gets
It's
bearish,
so much room to
because of
drop,
the
dude.
nature of it. But it
Me,
might be, I don't know. It consolidated like all day around that 100 and just
I
teased and
know.
manipulated
It's
and
so
took
annoying.
people's money. SLXN, oh my God.
Mm.
Congratulations. Jesus, dude. I was about to hit that, bro. Oh my God, dude. A $7 drop. That just paid somebody. Tell me someone caught that.
Oh
James, you said
my
it.
god.
You said it, dude. Tell me you were in that.
Should we scoop that up? I'm not much of a dead cat bounce guy, but oh my
I don't
god.
even. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh my God.
Um,
I said that live. I have it pulled up on my thing. I'm right
uh,
here ready to smack it. It's my top watch. It's looking bearish. It might just collapse right now. Oh my God. This is going to be a fun one to watch back in real time or later on.
SLXN was in 10 shares, James.
Oh, dude. Wow. Spike back to 7 now.
That's all we needed today. 100 shares there.
Oh my God, bro. And see, that's VNCE is working and it's looking pretty damn bearish. I'm gonna scale it just a little bit. I have 200 shares. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just add 100 to it because that thing's looking bearish as hell. It's still up over 100%.
You're feeling
Oh,
the
SLXN, man.
you're feeling the
Wow.
pain.
Wow. It's like we love to see that, but we hate to see it when we're not in it.
Yeah, I was there. I mean, I don't know if I would have taken it because I'd probably wait till the bell, but I think we had the right hunch because we were leaning like, oh, this is AEHL vibes. I mean, this thing, even though it's sold off from 30, it definitely has room back down.
Oh man. Damn, dude. Oof. That's painful.
That's
That
a
happens
painful one.
so fast. So fast.
Should you size it? James, take the profit. It's already fallen to the previous close. I mean, it's
Yeah,
nothing.
the move has happened. It's
Let's
kind of
see
like
how.
yesterday when the RBNE dropped like 40% or whatever. It's like that's the move. Like it could go lower after halt, you know, whatever. But that's where you don't get greedy. Take your profit. If anything, take profit now and then resmack a tiny size if you want to hold on to it or something like that.
Even the cat's pissed off about that one.
Yeah, she is. Dude, that's tough, bro. Oh man, I gotta go back and watch that. I don't want to
because
but
you
it's like,
probably would have been in that.
we were right there on it. I had it pulled up. I was analyzing it as we spoke, and then it just, oh, dude. And I was in it. I was in it, but I sold out.
Oh man,
Made 100, could have made 1,000. That's okay though. No, I wouldn't have made 1,000 on that trade. I would have made about 500 though on that trade, 400 on that flush, like with my size.
Yeah, I'm trying to think what I would have had if probably 50 shares on it. Really, I don't know if I would have had 100.
Yeah,
Maybe.
I was tinkering with like $700, $1,000 position, so it just like half the price. It's all good, man. Can't catch them all. Like I said, at the end of the day, we like to see that as shorts because that means bulls are scared now. Like we should have stronger momentum for us.
I'm feeling greedy, man. I'm gonna get heavy on some plays that are working out.
It's okay to do that in the eval as well. Like I said, I mean, get a little bit more aggressive in the eval, get funded, and then that's
let's get funded.
Relax a little bit.
That's what I've been ready. I've been ready for it. I get so close, and then I have a pullback on the account.
BNCE having a little spike back up here. Let me monitor it. I am not about to give this thing a lot of room.
It's a 2.5 million float. It looks like that's the only thing that worries me getting involved with it right now. As just knowing what it did earlier, it can just shoot up from 380 to 630 in a minute.
Yeah. If I see any more strength, well, it just had a nice candle, but then it just flushed. And that's what's nice about the small time frame. I can see that live. Like it had a nice little spike and then a pretty decent flush. So
yeah.
Let me see if it gets back over that little mini spike. I'll scale out a little
Perfect
bit.
fall. Or perfect call rather. Are you committed to this trade? God, I'm sorry. I hate when that happens, man. Like I've done it so many times. I've been scarred from those orders that I'm like always looking at my working orders now.
Yeah, that happened to me yesterday. Even like I thought I always check it, but that even happened to me yesterday on a trade. I ended up long in something. I'm like,
it did it. You're like, wait.
I'm ended up long in something that's up 500% the past 2 days. That's not the place I want to
be. Yeah. You talking about the QMMM one?
No, it was something different. It was like a stop order set. I think it might have been on QMMM though, to be honest, but I didn't take the loss like I did. At least I only had $500 worth and not 7,000.
I know. All right, Mogu's getting the hype. WLDS, I'm tempted to size.
Looks good, man. WLDS looks good. We could size it heavier and put a tight stop, like 6, 8, 7, and just lean into it. But it's like, what is the spread looking like? And the bell's about to open. Like, it's probably going to wick us.
My Thinkorswim spread's like 650 to 52, and I got 640 to 65 on TTP right now.
I mean, I guess I can take SLXN off the watch list and off watch. Great job. Congratulations, guys. Fall, you weren't in that?
Yeah, I thought he was, but man.
It looked good, but it kind of tricked us out there. It looked like, okay, it might base and kind of reclaim, and I stopped out. And
we should probably just sprinkle, a few feeler shares on some of these plays in case that happens,
Yeah.
Well, you had it. I mean, you did.
That's the power of sprinkling. That's what's beautiful about it. Because like when that one knives, the RR just goes through the roof.
Yeah.
I'm proud of my stats the past few days on my funded. My RR is like, my success rate's only 40-something%, like low 40%, but my RR is like over 2.
That's so good. I find that very impressive. That means you're just stopping well. You're losing well and letting the winners run. I mean, that's literally the definition of a professional trader.
Okay, so
Stop him
SL.
well and let him work.
Oh, whoops! I just
Mogu just hit 850, rejecting off of that. 5 minutes till the open. I'm not really gonna involve myself with that right now. GRI kind of looking heavy. CWD spiking up a bit. So out of the gates, guys, I'm gonna be monitoring WL. What is it?
WLDS for sure.
DS, yeah. And then outside of that, we never went over AMST. That's been sitting like on $4 all morning. It's got room down.
Pull up the chart for us. I'm remaking my watch list right now.
I use Thinkorswim, but EV Mux is super laggy with when I share that screen. I could try it again, but
yeah.
that's why I kind of flip.
VNCE is pumping. I think I'm just gonna take this off for now. I said I didn't want it above that other candle. I don't want to play with it right here before bell.
Oh,
So
yeah,
I'm out of
love it.
VNCE.
AMST, here's the chart. It's actually cracking under 420 right now. Not bad. Shot up. The previous close was at like 270s. Shot up to 7. Had a couple spikes to VWAP.
Yeah, it's like long term, big picture. It definitely looks good to fade. Might be a little wicky in between, but
it's almost feeling like the one we just missed.
Mogu is. 1 second, brother. Let me wait. Cooper is pumping again. Check Cooper for me.
Yep.
CUPR, the previous runner yesterday. It looks like it's just or am I? Oh wait, no, never mind.
140s. Well, that one could fade today. Still looks heavy.
Yeah,
could get back under $1.
Yeah, it's worth a watch. I don't know why it's saying 1 day gainer still up 130%. Is that the case?
Yeah, I'm gonna give Wilds a little. I'm gonna give that one some more risk because I feel pretty confident with that one, but I'll probably give it a couple hundos.
Yeah. Couple hundred.
I think so because I want to hit it again over 7 if she gets up there. It's got
maybe
so much.
Maybe take it off and reassess it instead of giving it all that risk. You know, if it looks like it's going against us, take off and then just keep it on watch, ready to resmack, so you don't give it that much room. You know,
that is true. I should practice that more. Yeah, 820 is a good level, and we've triple topped up there, and the offering just came out. I don't see it holding up, especially if Mogu gets all this attention.
Mm-hmm. CIGL is another one. No fine. But I have to look at these charts because some of these charts you can tell they're just on a very nice uptrend. You just don't really want to touch it. But let's see.
RZMM. Let me show you this.
Up 4,200% in a month is QMMM.
Dude, I want a piece of that so badly on the way down. I'm so angry at that ticker. I want to smack it too.
Wait a minute! Oh my god, have we forgotten about Soggy Peter? It's in a perfect downtrend, dude. Soggy Peter. It's still up 400% in a month.
Okay, I'm seeing 1850 kind of supportish.
I'm getting a little bit of lag now. Not too bad, just a little bit. It's all good.
It's very thinly traded, but yeah, still definitely a lot of room down on Soggy Peter. I wanted to show RZLV real quick too. The last 5 trading days or so. This is an AI ticker. It's kind of hangoverish though. I mean, we've just been in a pretty steep uptrend from $3 up to $6.66 here, $7. So. I may consider it on a hangover. AI space, though, getting hype there.
Yeah. Shorting AI is not at the top of my watch list, but, you know, if it's worth it, it's worth it. Like, WLDS is technically AI, but it's a cheaper penny play, and it's up, you know. So in the offering, and it had its move. Longs are underwater for sure, it feels. Don't want to see any crazy spike out of the bell though. That's for sure. It's almost
C,
like you expect that, you know, like a
C,
test to like
yeah.
7s or 8s.
CWD, they're going to be praying for any. Longs are praying for any bounce there. All right, guys, out of the gates,
That's the place we
WLDS.
gotta look.
Yeah, I know. Let's see what.
VNCE is sending off right into bell. I took that again.
Okay. Into the bell.
VNCE looks
Best
weak.
of luck,
I'm gonna go ahead and
traders.
snip my stop.
Stay. Keep that wrist tight. I like Fade's charts. His funded evals and all are looking great. I love that. We want to be smart with our losers and let the winners run. All right, Wild's getting a little pop out of the gates a little bit. See what she's going to do. I have a 657 average. Again, they offering that $4. Offering to $4. Mogu, where most of the attention is out of the gates. SLXN heavy. QMMM still sitting up here like it. QMMM is like sitting there stagnant, like she deserves to be at $100.
Exactly. So I just took it on that spike because I'm gonna just re-enter WLDS.
What do we do with Wilds here?
Yeah, I'm out for now.
We're out for now.
VNC had a spike up and now it's rinsing. But it's choppy. It's a bell chop. Small size if you're in anything, guys.
WLDS.
Yeah, QMM just sitting there like it belongs at $100-something. WLDS.
Getting an upper wicks. Getting kind of an upper wick there. I'm gonna smack it again and then keep it fairly tight, like 750.
Yeah. If it doesn't get above that, I'm gonna smack it back. That wick.
I'm smacking it again here. 750. 750 is my stop. I'm gonna put the 750 stop on it right now. I'm kind of heavy here. 750. 751. Give it a little bit of room back up there. I'm in 250 shares now on it.
Okay, it's selling. Oh, wow, you're big. Okay. Stay heavy, baby.
We stay heavy. Stay heavy in these streets. WLDS, I mean, it's still hanging out here. We need it to go.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I took 100 shares back with you here since it's not getting that next push as of now. My stop's at 761.
Okay. Need it to go green to red, so we need it to like get heavy here and then start pulling back in, go red on the day.
VNCE working. VNCE lower triple. Cooper's flushing. Orbs is selling off slowly. QMMM is dumping.
Should we turn our attention there?
It's under 100. It's 95. Shit.
What? What do you do?
Okay. I just don't want to miss a haul down here. I don't want to give this either, but I'm going to take 5 shares, man. I
was thinking the same thing.
The risk reward is just there, dude. I'm taking 5 shares. I'm taking
5 shares too.
I need to pull the chart up. Go ahead and set my stop, but I might adjust it. VNCE is paying. VNCE is paying. I just went triple figure green there. What is the chart doing? It's only up 90% now.
WLDS.
A little bit here at the opening bell too.
I think I'm gonna take WLDS off, man. I don't know. Yeah, taking it off.
I'm out again. I don't like that spike back up.
Yeah, so I'm down on that one, 160-ish. I still like that. Man, I just seeing this thing climb back up after that triple top. I don't see it happening, but TNM pull back. Mogu's heavy. GRI getting a little spike. Okay, yeah. WLDS looks like it's I mean, it's just shooting straight up, man.
VNCE is a good. It worked well. I'm studying the smaller time frame chart right here, just looking if it's gonna keep dumping or reclaim. So protect what I got here.
GRI steady up to pre-market resistance. GRI. I'm tempted there. QMMM. I'm gonna size it a little bit. I'm gonna go
WLDS, huge wick.
I'm putting. I got 10 on QMMM now. It's looking like the ask is stacking there. I must set a.
Is it? Okay.
I must set a stop at like a hard
WLDS,
at 110.
huge wick.
110 stop. WLDS.
It's just wicking so hard,
It's
man.
wicking.
I stabbed it one more time with small size, but
It's the Wild Wiki West right there. GRI.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I was about to smack that too. Okay, 280s holding up. GRI. It's got pre-market resistance overhead. Yeah, WLDS. I'm just...
Orb just continuing to sell off, man. I'm going to probably have to get involved there with just a little bit.
Good old Orbs.
It's same with, wow, Wiki West, WLDS and the Wiki West.
They came out with a new symbol, and it's not working out for them. Yeah, it was a good stop on WLDS. It sucks when you're convicted on the name and that happens. Really need QMMM to have a red day. If it does a red to green move, I'm going to absolutely blacklist this name and never, ever trade it ever again.
So one more attempt on WLDS. My stop is above 8. Because I did call for that spike to the 8 level. So
Okay.
I'm going to give it that. I'm not playing with it after that, man.
All right, I'm joining you.
I'm in 150, so I'm
Same.
bigger. That's my final risk. My stop's going to be 811. I'm going to give it that. Hopefully this is that manipulation to just trap those longs and rents out now from here. But maybe not.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
VNCE could be entering a sloppy territory. I mean, I don't know if it's going to be able to reclaim that 3.6, 3.7 area.
Good eye, VNC.
Could be a little entry.
370. That's like the red to
Have
green.
$1,000 exposure, so WLDS looks to be maybe that was the manipulative liquidation sweep and rents there. VNCE, I'm giving my gains back here. What's going on? Is it gonna spike now?
I want to get heavy on wilds if it's gonna start selling off and going down.
Right.
But
Just
the
don't
wiki nature of it.
Yeah, it's hard. You can't.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, it shoots down and then just pops right back up.
150 shares is pretty big with the nature of this ticker, like with how wiki it is.
True. Yeah.
It's like when you have something a little more established, then you can get bigger size, or when it cools down a little bit and confirms. But for now, trying to size it big is just tough. Yeah.
RCL. Yeah.
So you got 10 shares. What's your stop there?
110.
Okay. Yeah, I got 5 with the 116 stop, but I need to look more at the chart and decide if I want to size it or VNCE, you dirty little dog. This could be a great level to smack it if you're not in it and with a nice risk level because, I mean, how much more are you going to reclaim from there? I'm going to go ahead and add to it because I didn't take profit.
On VNC.
My stop's going to be at 3.86.
I like a tight stop there. I'm going to go in with you. Set like a tight stop.
3.86 stop. This thing, I mean, if it reclaims that, it's going to be gross. And I'll just have to be done with it. But I like it, so I'm sizing it. 500. Stop 3.86.
I got the same thing, man.
There we go. Big green. Boom. Went back to triple figure green. Now just stay heavy. Don't
stay heavy. Sell off. Stay heavy. I need one solid winner right now.
WLDS is just, yeah, that one is tricky. It's like,
oh, baby. Fades. Fades. Come on, stay heavy, stay heavy. Let's get under 320. No.
See, how is it? It's like you want to take profit, but how is it going to reclaim that move now?
No, don't
If it
do
goes
that.
above it, it's going to be disgusting.
That's going to be nasty if it sells off and shoots straight back up.
WLDS.
Look at it. It's doing that. It's doing that.
I got my stop at 381. I mean, that's giving it a little bit more room. Yeah, that's tough though. I was just up 150, and now I'm back even like that. Like when you're size big, man.
I don't like that move at all. I don't like what it just did. Snapping
Yeah.
like that and then popping
I
up.
don't either, but I think it's just chopping out right now. WLDS hasn't stopped us out yet. It's churning and burning though. See, that's what I talk about, like that big manipulation candle down, and now it came right back to that level. That's just crazy, man. You can see it on my screen, like that whole wick down and then the rents back up, which is why I like my stop over 8 there, because it's giving it risk, but it might blow us off here.
VNC,
Where are you
I
at
can see this elevator and down under 3.
You're in VNC and WLDS and QMMN. We're both in the 3.
Yeah, exactly. In the
Yeah, I mean, Orbs is tempting to take a little starter there too, just because it's up so much along with QMM.
VNC could pay out so well though. I'm trying to eyeball this.
Right. Yeah, it's like it's okay to tunnel right now with that one a little bit.
If it flushes, I want to take some
working.
off. You know.
Yeah, when it's working, it's okay to tunnel, like because you have to manage risk. Like I could have stabbed and re-entered right there, or like took profit and re-entered. You know.
I'm gonna try to
There we
have
go.
like
WLDS. Yeah, baby. Good
Yes.
girl.
Good girl.
That's
I'm gonna have an order out.
We don't
By the
wanna
way,
see-
if you're in VNCE, you need to probably have profit orders out because this thing's wiki. God,
Nice.
dang it, dude.
WLDS. I'm glad. See, we stuck with it. Like that was a good level to test. I mean, is it gonna reclaim from here? That'd be disgusting. Like, surely not. VNCE. Yeah. I mean, the fight is not over here. This thing is chopping. I'm in pretty big. I'm gonna be humble and size down just a little bit. Because I had almost a 2K position in VNCE, so now I have 1,500. I'm actually going to scale it just a little bit more, man. I'm not trying to be
a little heavier than I should be on it.
I'm not trying to be too aggressive. So I got 350 shares now. I feel a little bit better there. The emotions aren't so heavy with the swings. WLDS, I have $1,000 there. And I mean, I was decent red as we were testing those highs, but now I'm back baby green, so my average isn't the best. This is almost tempting to add to now on a move, like on a flush like that with WLDS, like you talked about. Like, is that your confirmation to scale in a little bit after that big rent?
Right, exactly.
And you're focused on VNCE too.
I took a little piece off to reduce risk there, yeah.
Yeah.
But I am monitoring it.
Yeah.
I'm monitoring WLDS and QMMM. Working with both of those right now.
I think what I'm going to do with WLDS is actually smack it a little bit here and then put that stop for the fresh smack at like 7-8. So I like that candle down. I don't really see it reclaiming, but we've seen it all. So I can see it at the same time.
VNCE 360s is holding up real well. We need the flush on it, like a heavy flush. Down to 3. That's what I'm looking for, but
I just added 50 more shares of WLDS, so now I have 200. I set the stop at 7-8 for that add. Actually, I'm going to break it up. So now I'm going to do 100 shares at 781 and 100 shares at 801, just in case this thing just gets away from us. But I think that's probably like the good short range from there. VNCE. Just roll over, you pig. And then Orbs.
Wilds is working out. QMM. If QMMM starts selling off, it's going to be payday, dude. It's going to be freaking payday if QMMM starts selling off.
I mean, because why wouldn't it?
I don't know
Like,
why.
who's holding this up? Like,
Yeah, exactly.
and you know, it's QNMM came a day after Octo, correct?
Yes.
And if you've noticed, Octo paid us yesterday, not the day before when we thought it would have, right? It was a day behind. So QNMM today might be payday for that. That's kind of like my theory there. And it's looking good. I'm with you, brother. I'm adding to it. I was in small because I'm just scarred shitless from this thing.
I am too.
I'm gonna have so many skid stains from the stock. It's not even funny, man.
I don't know what just happened. I think I took profits on VNCE accidentally. Oops.
This year.
I think so. I'm out of it. Yeah, down there at 334.
WLDS is working well.
Yeah.
yeah.
Should we size it? Should we size it? I'm at 150.
Yeah, it just wicked down. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. I sized it there and adjusted my stops a little bit.
Oh baby. Oh baby.
You can still add a little bit. Don't be afraid to add 20% to your position on some confirmation like that. You know, it's like, what are the odds now that it's going to hit our stop? So now you can add and drop the stop a little bit if that's how you want to play it. If if you have that conviction, you feel like
I do have that conviction. It looks like we're going to be going red on this name, to me at least. And we just hit the VWAP 760s, pulled in off of that. My question is, do I take profit and then re-hit it? Because I'm up decent on this. Or do I just start sizing? Yeah, because
I sized it at on that first flow. If you can see my screen, I sized it right there. You can see my ad.
Okay.
Because like after that big candle down, I like that candle, and apparently the market agreed, and we rinsed down and had even a bigger candle after that. So I'm in $1,500 worth. I'm happy with that.
I got 150 shares here. She's panicking. We could halt down on this name, really.
Yeah.
God dang it, dude. Fades on me. I get like, because I took a decent L on it. I took a $150 loss, and now I'm up nearly 150. Do I size this here? Do I size this? Yeah, great work, guys. QMMM working out too, by the way.
Yeah, I took 5 more shares and it's working, and I'm tempted. Oh Lord. I'm gonna take 5 more, and I'm just gonna bring my stop down, man. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for. Yes.
Oh yes, Fades. Let's go. Let's go, Fades. Bring that money. QMMM, you owe us. You owe us.
Yeah, you owe us everything. The market owes us nothing, but you do, motherfucker.
Yeah, exactly. All right, WLDS. I haven't taken any off, and I'm really feeling greedy with it, man. I feel like I want to smack.
Yeah, I'm there with you, but like for the sake of just
bouncing off the open.
Yeah, I took just a tiny bit off.
You disciplined trader, you.
15% of my position I scaled, but QMMM. What do I want to do? VNC.
QMMM. I'm leaving that one, dude. Hell yeah. Fades.
VNC. I'm just not a. Yes, good work.
Fades. Good.
VNCE. I'm scaling out just a little bit more.
Wilds, I'm gonna hit again on this pop. I kind of went deer in headlights there and didn't know what entirely I wanted to do. I'm gonna smack it again, I think, and just reduce my risk to 7, 20s, 30s. You know, if it starts popping back up there, I want this to go red. It's still green on the day.
Yeah, I'd say my stop's gonna be a little higher than that. I'd say 750s.
Okay.
I mean, understand. You can break up. That's what's nice too. Scale your stop. It's annoying because it's more orders and stuff to deal with, but scale your stop. That's what I just did. I scaled in more, and then I scaled the stop. I put 100 and 100 and like spread it out a little bit. So I managed the risk,
I'm up 60 on it. I'm just like wondering what I should do here. QMMM, I'm leaving that one all day, dude. I ain't touching that. That's gonna be like Octo. I ain't touching.
How are we not halted now? See, that's what the longs are probably crying about. They're like, how are we not halted? What? We just flushed 20%. Why are we not halted? Yeah, it's like the market is not fair, man. It's not fair. Like You guys watched the video of us trading yesterday, QMMM. Like we got took into class. Like MM's
Oh yeah,
clean.
I'm getting all 500 back from QMMM. Riding that thing.
I need
down.
my fat finger 250. I need
Yeah.
the Nightmare 10 shares that I lost and you lost.
Yeah. Oh man, good work. We're probably missed another place
WLDS.
because I just tunneled in on these two. But
Yeah.
MOGU, that one's tapping 8.
MOGU is the king of the day when it's dumping.
GRI, I certainly missed that. AMST, dang.
What's going on in chat, guys? Are you here with us in these trades? What are y'all trading? You just lost your funded account?
The
No.
computer froze on that pop. Oh my god.
No, dude. Don't say that, bro. Don't say that. You couldn't have lost it because you'd hit max stop, right? Or were you already in pause? James, you just got your account.
Here's what I'm doing with Wilds Fades. I'm just keeping the 150 and I'm setting my stop at break even 726. I'm gonna let it. Size and things sometimes doesn't work well for me because the average comes down and then I bring my stop down with it. QMMM, let's head lower there.
Yeah, it's like we're good and green, but it just now broke that level down. I mean, $50 can come rather quickly. Orbs is up from its lows now, kind of reversing, which could be even better. Maybe the mob is like, okay, Orbs, it was the king, now it's sold off, and they don't want QMM. They're like, okay, wow, they're gonna finally rug this thing. It's not going to 1,000, and maybe that's what's going on.
James, I hate to hear that, man. Josh, what's going on? We're green at the moment. Fingers crossed. I mean, I'm realized red on Wilds took it early, and then I'm working green on there, and QMMM we're short there too, so we're good. We're kicking back. I mean, what's your idea with QMMM? I'm just gonna let her work like Octo yesterday. Octo faded all day. Why touch it? QMMM. I'm gonna let that one just work.
Yeah, all three of these are looking good. Just adjust it. Keep an eye on them. These three trades are working.
What else are you in? Are you in VNCE? Is that?
I'm in VNCE,
Okay.
QMMM,
Wow.
and WLDS, and all three of those are great. I'm about $100 green in each.
BRB.
Let's see. Where's my scanner? Oh, janked out. Your go-to is still the Momo scanner, or do you utilize the Weeble one? Yeah, all I'm seeing on the day is Mogu and VNCE. Like nothing else is really worth it. When we have QMMM, again, I'm not worried about a stock that's up only 50% when we have like these massive 100%, 1,000% gainers that we can fade. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I was hitting the head.
Yeah, these are looking good. I mean,
Weeble, Momo screener. Yeah, utilizing those.
yeah, I think we have everything covered for the day, though. I just took a look at the scanner. I mean, Mogu and what was the other one that was up? VNC. Yeah, Mogu and VNC are the top two. Nothing else is really more than 50% from what I'm seeing. WLDS, here we go.
You gotta be shitting me.
Oh, Lord.
Cannot believe this thing's popping up here. Didn't take anything off.
I could see it at 7.5. I could see it testing that 7.5. Hopefully that's the wick right there. Wow, VNCE is also reversing. And that's what I hate, because this market tends to do stuff like that. Both of like two plays will reverse on you at once and your P&L swings. I don't know if you've noticed that before.
Mm-hmm.
It's like they happen at the same time. That happened yesterday after hours. That happened to me. All the stocks I was fading also got a bump at the same time, and that was like the discipline's like, all right, let me step away, let me size down. Like,
yeah, I'm not happy with this move, WLDS, at all. It was up a lot, and now she's doing this. The fucking hell. VNCE, no. I hadn't. What did I just do? I took a long there? No.
Jesus, dude. I wish I would have took more, but I'm gonna have to smack this thing. WLDS off and then give it that $8 level. Is it gonna pop? What is this? What is this, bro? Look at that wick it just put in. I'm just gonna put my stop above the high, like the 7-8. What is it? 777, something like that.
Yeah, I'm
and I
very aggravated with it.
Smacked it on that spike because I kind of was worried when you said your stop was like 7.2, 7.3 because with the nature of these stocks, like I kind of predicted a wick to like.
I should have just taken
Maybe even
$100
that
off of it,
750
dude.
wick.
God
In my
dang it.
head, I don't know if I told you that, but I kind of in my head I thought it could test 750.
Mogu halted down. Oh my god.
VNCE
Yeah.
looks like it's working again.
Good.
Yeah, VNCE, big rents there. Maybe even worthy of adding there.
Yeah, I might have to hit that one. Right here.
WLDS is not. Don't throw in the towel. Just Wiki West, like you said, bro.
I've taken
Wiki
2 L's on. I mean, like being up that 100 and then it curling all the way back up around.
Yeah,
That's
that's
painful
painful.
for
That's
me,
why, again, like I took 15% off, man. Like just
Yeah.
no matter how it can, just take 20% off. Take 25% off. Like if you're triple figure green or something, take some off. Like
Mogu.
no matter how convicted you are, just take it off, man. Because again, conviction doesn't matter when we're dealing with the market.
Yeah.
Manipulation. Like,
I gotta head over to trade the pull stream, man.
all right, bro.
Tomorrow, we got the whole day together. If you're going to be trading, I'll
Yeah.
be around 8:45.
Sounds good, man.
and
And
then
Fridays it can be fruitful for us. So we'll see.
I'm just gonna try to kick back in QMMM right now and reevaluate what I want to get involved with. But
That's a
outside of that,
sore
guys,
subject too. Q and MM is
if
just
that
kidding.
curls around, I might throw in the
It's just
towel
so
on that.
wicky, but again, we were up like I was up over 100. Now I'm like barely green on it. So, but you just got to give it room. It's like because I could go multiple 100% green in no time.
Right.
So I'm fine with the little swings. Yeah.
Yep, we're gonna be fine with the swings. WLDS back at around 7. Got wicked out on that Wild Wiki West. Perfect fall. The Wild Wiki West. All right, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Heading over to Trade the Pulse stream. If you want to stick around, head on over to Trade the Pulse channel. I'll be there in just a few minutes.
Sounds good.
Take care.